Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the gun safe. Remove the magazine and lock the slide back to visually and physically confirm the chamber is empty. Once done, separate the slide from the frame and set it on a padded bench block so it won't wobble. Make sure you have a sight pusher or a brass punch, a wooden or nylon protection block, and a mild heat source ready. These let you move the sight without damaging the slide. Begin with the sight aligned to the pusher tool. You heat the sight gently to weaken any thread locker or glue. Hold heat for a few seconds and let it soak into the joint, but don't overheat the finish. Next, position your sight pusher aligned squarely on the sight dovetail. If using a punch, support the opposite side with a wooden block and tap the sight toward the muzzle, typically to the right on Glock rear sights. Use steady pressure and short, controlled taps so the sight drifts out without binding or gouging the slide. You'll finish by sliding the sight free and wiping the dovetail clean of old thread locker and carbon so the new sight seats squarely. Once removed, inspect both the sight and the slide for burrs or damage and gently file or stoning any sharp edges. Then apply blue thread locker if the new sight requires it and install per manufacturer torque or set screw recommendations. If the sight won't move, don't force it. Reapply heat and a penetrating oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.